A pall of gloom descended at the Indian Army's 158 Base Hospital at Bengdupi near the Bagdogra airport on the outskirts of Siliguri on Saturday morning. Karishma Chhetri, the wife of Lance Naik Bishal Chhetri, is inconsolable. The couple had last spoken only around an hour before the landslide hit Tupul Railway Construction Yard on the fateful night of June 29.
जनवरी को आए थे वो और फरवरी को इस बार कब आने का बात था?
2 महीने बाद।
2 महीने बाद। और लास्ट कॉल उनसे कब हुआ था आपसे बातचीत?
बेलुका रात में
राति कतिखेर?
10 साढे 10।
अच्छा, अहिले हजुरसँग को आपके साथ कौन कौन है? बच्चे?
छोरा छ।
कितने साल के?
7।
Hundreds, including family members of nearly half a dozen army personnel who lost their lives in a landslide in Manipur, were flown to Bagdogra in a special Indian Air Force aircraft. The deceased bravehearts from the region belong to different regiments of the Indian Army, including Gorkha Rifles, Assam Rifles, Jammu and Kashmir Rifles, as well as the Rajasthan Rifles. The casket containing the mortal remains of the army personnel were wrapped in tricolour and brought in army vehicles from the airport to the base hospital. Senior army commanders of the Indian Army's 33 Corps headquarters in Sukhna and former Gurkha soldiers paid full honours to the departed soldiers, and then their mortal remains were handed over to their family members. Unconfirmed reports say that at least 14 people from the region, including Darjeeling Hills, Bengal Doras, Terai and Sikkim, have died in the mishap.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.